Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and this is your March 16th, 2016 midday market report. We're going to run through a bunch of charts. I got 7 or 8 charts that we're going to run through, all 15-minute intraday charts. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up at the conclusion of this video on the free trial tab and gain instant free access to all of the member-only features like the live chat room, private Twitter feed, daily watch list, daily member video, and most importantly, the profitable trade alerts, which not only make you money in this market, but they also give you the opportunity to learn while you earn, because we're not just handing out these alerts with no explanation. We're explaining the how, the what, the why, and the where of every single trade. And I'm in the chat room all day helping you become a better trader. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to have you. All right, so let's take a look at these charts. First, we're going to start off with, right here. First, we're going to start off with Twitter. If you've been following along, you should not be surprised that Twitter is heading lower. We've got this downtrend line right here that we're working up against. We've got this resistance right here. This resistance is right about 1670, okay? So a break over that would be bullish for Twitter. But as it stands right now, that is resistance, okay? We've got support down here at 1620. As you can see, a lot of candles hit this 1620 level right there. So that's an important level. So right here, we're forming a box right here. The top of the box is 1670. Bottom of the box is 1620. A move outside of the box in either direction would see a pretty decent sized move. Okay, next we're going to cover Amazon, and I am going to cover the S&P 500, so don't worry. Next, we're covering Amazon. We've got just a little mini downtrend line, and it could be part of a flag, and you can draw the flag like this. There's the flag. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so that could be a bull flag that we got right there. Okay, pretty textbook look for a bull flag. So look for a break over this downtrend line, and also if you look at let's see, the 10-day chart. Okay, so we've got this big resistance at about just before 581. Okay, as you can see, we touched it over here, 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 and here we got rejected at it again. Okay, a break over that would certainly be pretty bullish for Amazon. As it stands right now, we've got about this 576 resistance and 573 support. That's a box. If we break out of that in either direction, could see a pretty decent sized move. All right, next we've got Tesla here. We've got this uptrend line from the lows over here, got a touch here, grinded up against it right there, and that matches up perfectly. We've got 216, just above 216, about 216.50 support from the highs of these two candles. Members in the chat room yesterday got in on some calls yesterday on a break over this resistance right there, and that did pretty well for us today. Moving forward though, could want to retest that 216. If that's the case, that is support. It could get a bounce. A break below that would certainly not be good for Tesla. Facebook is next. Just trucking higher. If you watch the video I put out last night, this should be no surprise to you that Facebook is moving higher. It's the daily market analysis from last night if you want to check that out. Okay, so what we got going here is we've got support at about, what is this level? About 110.80, okay? As you can see, we've had the highs of a lot of these candles right here, 1080, and then look at this. The lows of all these candles are right at 1080, so there's a pretty solid support right there. If it trades back down there, could see a bounce, okay? Below that, we've got support right at 110, okay? The lows of all these candles hit that level, highs of these candles as well as here, okay? Let's see what else. All right, so the S&P 500, we've got support at 201. You know, it's kind of just, you know, the pattern here is not really doing much for me. I'm not getting a great read on the S&P 500s here, but what I do know is that we have resistance at 203, and then we've got support at 201. If this 201 support is lost, and as you can see, I'm expanding it out to the 10-day 15-minute chart so you can get a better look here. As you can see, this 201 level is very important. Got touches here, 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 and here, okay? If we break that level, we're going to fill the gap down here from the close of Thursday last week session. Okay, the close was 199.50, so a break below 201, we're going to fill that gap at 199.50. LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn, we've got a lot of support right here on the intraday. This is just today's action right here. Got a lot of support just below 109. It's about 108.90 or something like that is this level right here. So a 15-minute close below that would not be good for LinkedIn. But as it stands right now, we're basing right here. It could pump higher. But again, I'm going to show you the daily chart here. And this is the daily chart. Let me get an updated version. Okay, so daily chart here, very, very tight range right here. It's a $6 range right here. Okay, very, very tight. You know, these days over here, this was a $20 range. This was a $10 range. This was a $10 range, a $9 range right there. Okay, so, and that's just in one day. Okay, now LinkedIn for weeks, for a month, hasn't broken the range of $6 or $7 right here. Okay, so really, really tight. And as you can see, the Bollinger Bands are really tight as well. And we broke out of this range right here. The trend is down for LinkedIn because of this big gap down off of that earnings. And we're breaking out of this range, out of this box right here. I believe that LinkedIn is headed much lower. Next support is about 100 from the lows of these candles right there. Okay. Back to the charts over here. All right. Last but not least, we've got PCLN price line, and I will show you this resistance here that we broke over. So 1340, we broke over this resistance. We got a touch here, 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 and then it broke over it right here. Okay, nice igniting candle on some decent volume right there. Okay, so 1340 is support now for price line for the 15-minute chart. All right, guys, thank you for stopping by. As always, you're welcome to come back. If you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up on the free trial tab and gain instant free access to all the member-only features. It's a great opportunity to learn while you earn, and you can join the fastest growing community on the web. We'll see you over there.